Hey, MonkeyBoo and Happy, you guys ready to play? Release the Happy. There he goes. All right, Boo, you ready? Here you go. Oh boy, it's playtime. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, Happy wants some love on him. It's the Playroom battle. Ooh, that sounded pretty solid on top of the head, Boo. That hurt. All these toys and y'all gonna play with each other. Oh, Boo's through the tunnel. Ready to do the big jump? Oh boy. Wanna catch the football? 1, 2, 3. Touchdown, Boo! Yay! Hey! It's nice and soft in there, Boo. Come on, let's do the big jump again. Go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Well, what you got, Boo? Hey, that's yeah, I know, that's something to be fun to take apart. Somebody sent that to you, they made it for you, Boo. Ready, Happy? Go! Ready? Hip! Double monkey jumps. Go! Go, Boo! Oh, look at Happy go! Wow, Happy! Go, Boo! I'm trying to catch you, Boo! Whoa, Happy! Alright, guys, this has been a lot of fun, hasn't it? Oh, we're gonna love on you. Oh, you love Boo! Look at Happy, he just loves Boo. Happy, you should be giving me love. It's my birthday. Yeah. Tell everybody thank you for watching. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, he's a sweet boy. My boys.